A woman in fishing waders walks along a stream holding a fish.
We got our first fish of the day.
Let's go fishing in under 2 minutes. The same woman crouches in front of a river surrounded by trees.
Hi everybody, my name is Payton Hanssen and I am a fisheries technician for the Fish and Wildlife Service. We do brook trout restoration, monitoring, and work with all kinds of different trouty related things. But today we're not going to be sampling, we are going to be fly fishing. Me and my best buddy Maggie over there, who is like rolling in the mud. Maggie is a beagle, by the way.
A photo of a beagle pops on screen.
And yeah, so I'm going to take you guys fishing with me and hopefully we can catch a few.
Short clips show feet walking through tall grass, a happy beagle trotting behind, and Payton standing in the stream fishing. Scene changes to show Payton kneeling in the stream in front of the camera holding a net. Text reads, tips for safe trout handling.
Got our first fish of the day here. I've got a little brown in the net. So when you catch a fish, keep it in the water the entire time that you are filming or getting the hook out of its mouth. Oh, I didn't even need my tweezers. Spit it out. I always use barbless hooks when I'm fishing in streams like this. And when you handle the fish, you don't want to handle the gills. You don't want to grab them by the mouth. Trout do have teeth. So yeah, you want to be very gentle. Keep them on the water for just a second.
Payton raises the fish out of the water for the camera.
Make sure your hands are wet while handling trout. And you don't want to mess with them too much. Get a quick picture, and then you're going to let them on their way. So here he is one last time. And there he goes, back to his home. So somebody else can catch him.
Payton places the fish back in the water as it swims away. Short clips show heavy boots walking through the stream. The happy beagle following behind, the beagle climbing along a log, Payton standing in the creek attempting to net a fish, a butterfly perched on a purple flower, and Payton walking through the creek.
Okay, so I just fell in. Again.
Payton stands in waist-deep water holding her fishing net.
This might be Maggie and I's last fish of the day. It's getting pretty warm out here for trout fishing. But this guy took the nymph. Oops. Took the nymph. And let's head back home.
Payton holds the fish up to the camera briefly before releasing it back into the water.